Hello students, let us construct a tangent in a given circle at the ends of two radii. Here is a question. Draw a circle of radius 4 centimeter. Construct two tangents at the non-centric ends of two radii such that the angle between the radii is 60 degree. It is a problem. In this construction you have to draw first a circle of given radius. Okay, take a 4 centimeter radius in your compass. Draw a circle. Now here is the center. Mark it as O. Now take a radius for your convenient side. Whichever the side you can choose. Let me take here convenient side. Construct a 60 degree given angle here. Angle between the radii, this is a radius. Let me call it as somewhat OA. Now take 60 degree. You can take, if it is standard angle, you can take directly, that is without protractor you can take. Otherwise you can put your protractor here, measure 60 degree, mark the point and make it as 60 degree. Otherwise you can also take without using protractor also you can construct 60 degree. How? You see, take some length of arc. Now it is finished. This is 60 degree. This is B. Let me call that as B. This is 60 degree, of course. You can measure. This will be accurately 60 degree. See, 10, 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Okay. Now, here we have to construct two tangents at the non-centric ends of two radii. Means here, at this point, A and B are the contact points now. At A and B, we have to construct two tangents. Therefore, you can take the length of the radius here. Take the length of the radius. Now, take a semi arc like this. From this point, you cut an arc. And above it, you take two more arcs from these 2 points. Therefore, you are getting one point here, which is exactly perpendicular to the A here. Just I am taking the perpendicular to the point considered. With this point, through A, you draw a tangent. Okay. Now, at the B also, you have to use the same procedure here. Take the length of the radius, cut an arc like this. With this, without changing the arc distance of the arc, you take one more arc, cut this arc first arc, again take 2 arcs upon it. You are getting one point here. With this point, through B, you draw another tangent. So this is exactly perpendicular. Here also perpendicular. If it is 60, what about this angle? Can you tell me? If it is 60, what about this? 180 minus 60. Because quadrilateral, no, here 180 minus 60 is 120 degree. It will be there without any obstacle. 120 degree. You can also measure and see. No problem in it. You see here, put your protractor like this on the base of the tangent. You can clearly see this is 120 degree. Okay. Now, this is how we have to construct. So, we shall construct one more tangent in the next class. You have to name this one. Let me call it as somewhat T here. Now AT and BT are the tangents to the given circle at the ends of non-centric ends of two radii in this given circle. Which are the tangents? AT is equal to BT are the tangents. Thank you, children.